Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this. It's I think like an on and off symbol for a button. And they're telling me how they're doing it, and it's okay. So I'm going to make 2 ellipses, holding down the shift key to get it perfect. But then they're having to put circles at the end. So you need to know how thick this is. So you take your parallel dimension tool, and we're at 0.323 of an inch. So you draw an ellipse, you know, 0.23, boy, I almost hit it perfectly. And then you'd have to sink it, perfectly in there and then rotate it around here. And then you got to make this part match. I've never made this before, but I'm thinking this is the way I'm going to do it. I'm going to draw an ellipse, and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit P to put this in the center of the page, which is really not in the center, but it'll kind of give me a ballpark of what I need to do. So I'm going to take a 2-point line and put it in the center of the page and hit P. And then I'm going to rotate it to where it's about there. And then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it. So I'm going to take away, it's going to be hard to grab that. I can put that back because I'm working the center of the page. Now I need to just cut this part out with my virtual segment delete key, and then grab my lines and delete them. Now I need to make this line thick, like 36 points. That might work. But then I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard, and I'm going to give it round end caps. And look at that. Now, we know that this is 36 points, and we want this to be the same. So instead of making a rectangle or rounding it off, I'm just going to make a line. I'm going to hit P. I can move it later. I'm going to make it 36 points. And I'm going to give it round end caps by hitting F12 on the keyboard and giving it round end caps. Look at that. Now we might be a little bit long, but he can adjust that, and then we can move it up to wherever you think it needs to be. I'm probably a little bit thick. I could have gone, let's go 30. What's the nice about this? You can still change it if you think that's too thick. Anyway, I think that's it. Hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.